Unity programmers, welcome back in my tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can create the enemy attacking animation for our FPS survival game. So let's see how can we create or done this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for creating the attacking animation, we need the enemy character. So in my previous videos I already shown you how you can download the FPS survival assets. Go back in my previous videos and watch them, so you can easily learn how we can download and import the FPS survival assets. So here we have FPS survival asset. So in this I have my SPF survival assets. So in the SPF survival asset I have the enemy character name as the cannibal. So just click the FPS survival, go to the models objects. Here you can see we have different type of object, and we have the first person character which we are using in our FPS survival game as the player. So just right here the cannibal, you can see I have the cannibal folders. Okay guys, so we have this cannibal character which we need to create our enemy attacking animation. It's totally depend upon you. If you want to add another enemy character, so you can totally free to use. So I'm going to use this character over here. You can see this, we have the our enemy character. Just right here once again the cannibal. You can see we have this animal texture, so just drag and drop this into our cannibal. You can see we have the zombie cannibal enemy character. Drop down a little bit. So we have our enemy character, so let's do some changes on him. So go to the cannibal and add the rigid body. Add the box collider. Now you can see this is the box collider. Now we need to take this trigger box and also we need to add the Navmesh agent. So just enter the Navmesh agent, here it is. So next thing which we will gonna do, we need to add the animation to our enemy character. Create the animator window. So go to the window and this animation, we need to click this animator. Here we have our animator window. Right click and create the animator controller. Rename it. I'm going to give the name is enemy controller. You can see we have our animator controller window over here. So we need to add some animations like walk, run and attack animation for the enemy character. So first we need to add this enemy controller to the our cannibal enemy character over here, the controller. So just drag and drop this enemy controller into this controller here. So now click on this cannibal animation. Here you can see we have the different type of animation, like this attacking, like this hit reaction, like this agile animation character, the punching animation, you can see the walking character, this is the running animation. So here we have few animations for our enemy character. Okay. So now we need to add this agile zombie animation into this window. Click on this, drag and drop this over here, the item. You have two methods to add the animation on this animator window. Okay, so first is this, just drag and drop the animation into the animator window. Or second, first I'm going to delete it. Okay, so and the second method is just right click here and create the empty. Here just click on this new state and give it the name. Okay, so just write the name. I'm going to give it the name the run. We have the run animation over here, and you can see this motion, we have the none motion selected over here. So just click this small circle, and here you can see we have some animations over here. So just choose the cannibal run animation. Here you can see, just double click on this, you can see we have the cannibal run animation. Okay, so click on the cannibal and change the some values in the box collider. So this is gonna be 0.3. There is our cannibal, this is our box collider, and this is our Navmesh agent, gonna be 0.25. It's gonna be 7. No, it's gonna be 8 or 9. Yes, and increase the size of the X. It's gonna be the 30, I guess. Okay, so just delete this and add the animation for the our cannibal walk, run, and the attack. So here I told you the two methods how you can add the animation in the animator window over here. So quickly add the animations, just drag and drop this audio. Transition between them. So just agile to run, run to walk, walk to agile, and vice versa also. Run to walk, run to agile, and walk to run, and just attack to idle and idle to attack. Okay, so just click this transition which is between the idle and the walk here. Just uncheck the has exit time and give it condition. We did not define the parameter over here, so just click on this and change its setting. The transition duration gonna be 0.1 and create here the parameters. First is no, not the layer. We need to define here the parameter, the boolean, one more for the attack is going to be the trigger. On this transition and uncheck this has exit time. Choose here the condition as the idle to walk, means idle to walk is going to be true. If this walk is going to be true, and walk to idle here it's going to be false. As same we do for the idle to walk. Just untick this box and set the transition duration is 0.1. Now walk to run. Untick the has exit time and the transition duration is gonna be 0.1. And just take this plus sign to add the conditions. The walk to run is gonna be true, but the run to walk is gonna be the false. So here just false. The duplicate of the punching right, and here you can see we have the duplicate of the punching right and rename it the cannibal attack. Here choose the cannibal attack. Okay, so now we need to add the script for the cannibal. So just go to the scene here and go to the script, and here right click and create the C# script and rename it. Okay, so first I'm going to write the script for the enemy controller. After that I will tell you what I'm writing here. So first I define our animator as anim, which is a variable, and after that under the void awake I store this animator into the anim variable. In this public void function I store this set boolean animation tag dot walk parameter as walk, which is comes from the animation tags which I created here. Okay, so pause your video and just copy this public class animation tag, and remember that these name will be same as here you define over here. So here I define the walk, run and attack, and dead as I define here the boolean, the walk and the run, and attack is as the trigger. So I have our script for the enemy animation controller. So just Control S for save our script, and just go back to the Unity and just drag and drop this enemy script into the cannibal. Here you can see we have our script over here. Okay, so after this we need to create a navigation, for which I added this Navmesh agent. So go back to the window and here the AI, click the navigation, select this terrain, here click on the terrain, and here make sure that tick this generate of page link, and it will be the walkable. Click on the bake and just bake here. On the bake, make sure it will be 0 and 0. Now again bake our terrain. Again, start bake. Make sure that we can only navigate the non-living things. Now we have the navigation terrain. This blue area shows that our character will only gonna be move on this blue surface. A new camera, adjusts its position and the rotation according to the enemy character. Drag and drop this camera into the canvas. Just press play. When you tick this walk, here you can see and when you click this run, here you can see it start run, and I forget to attach the transition between the attack and the run. Got it through. In my next video, I will tell you about how we can control the enemy. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.